How to turn on light mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. As you can see, my Instagram is in dark mode. To turn it to light mode, open Settings. In Settings, click on Display. After you click on Display, in here, scroll down and you will find Dark Mode option. Simply click on Dark Mode. Then, turn off Manual. After you turn off Manual, you can open your Instagram, and your Instagram will be in light mode, and you have turned on light mode on Instagram. This is how to turn on light mode on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.